What if I told you that you could create professional videos of yourself that actually look and sound like you, with your mannerisms, wearing almost anything from multiple angles in almost any environment? What you just witnessed was Avatar 5, HeyGen's most advanced avatar model yet. And I know it's cliche to say, but this is literally a game changer for AI video generation. Older avatar models were good, but they had their limits. Sometimes they felt stiff, sometimes a little lifeless, and sometimes just a little too close to the uncanny valley for my liking. If you wanted a different look or environment, you usually had to record again, and on longer clips, consistency could start to drift. Avatar 5 changes that by learning how you move, gesture, speak, and express yourself. So instead of a lifeless avatar, you get a digital twin that feels far more natural and far more usable. That means better consistency from the first minute to the last, stronger lip sync, more accurate facial expressions, and way more flexibility than before. And the best part? You no longer need a crew, a massive budget, a wardrobe change, or hours of footage. A one-time 15-second recording in whatever you're wearing, wherever you are, unlocks professional-grade video at scale. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Avatar 5 in HeyGen and the best practices to get the most realistic results, coming up. Alright, let's start by creating your avatar clone. Inside of HeyGen, in the left-hand sidebar, click on Avatars. And once you're there, hit Create Avatar in the top right-hand corner. You'll be asked to choose between cloning a real person or creating a virtual character. And so since we're building a digital twin, click on Clone a Real Person option. Now here's where the magic starts. HeyGen is going to ask you to record a 15-second video of yourself. And that's it. 15 seconds, not 15 minutes. You can do this directly from your webcam right here in the browser. Record via your phone, or upload footage you've already captured. And here's the part I really want you to hear. You don't need a professional studio for this. To prove it, I'm going to do this twice. Once with my iPhone right here, without any professional studio lighting, just a regular spot against a blank wall with some natural window light. And once with a full cinema camera setup back in the studio. And so later in the video, we'll compare both outputs side by side so you can see exactly what difference your gear actually makes. Now, the only real requirement? Make sure your face is clearly visible and you're in a reasonably well-lit space. Your background generally doesn't matter. HeyGen strictly studies how you move, your gestures, your expressions, your mannerisms. That's what it's extracting. Now, one crucial factor for best results, be expressive. A flat, nonchalant expression while recording will result in an avatar that looks robotic and lifeless. But recording with genuine energy and expression, that produces a natural, believable digital twin that actually feels like you. Now, once your motion capture is done, HeyGen will give you the option to record a voice clone. Now, this is completely optional, but here's the thing. Your voice plays a major role in creating a convincing avatar. To sell the illusion, this small addition can make all the difference. HeyGen captures your rhythm, your tone, your natural verbal habits, all the things that make your voice distinctly yours. And at this point, HeyGen gives you two choices: to use the audio from the clip you just recorded, or record a dedicated voice clone, which I strongly recommend as it gives HeyGen enough detail to work with and tends to produce a much stronger result. Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Okay, so now that your avatar has been created, let's talk about adding some additional looks. First, start by clicking Design with AI. The first thing you need to do is choose your base look. Think of this as Avatar's identity photo. It's the foundation the AI references every single time it generates a new look for you. Pick something strong. A half-body or close-up shot works best. Make sure your face is clearly visible and, honestly, just pick one where you like how you look. Once your base look is locked in, you've got two ways to generate new looks. Option 1, browse the scene library. They are pre-built looks with different outfits, environments, and vibes. One click and the AI drops your face into that scene. Option 2, write your own prompt. This is where the real power is. Want to be in a professional office in a navy blazer? Done. On a rooftop at sunset in streetwear? Also done. The AI generates a brand new look of you based on whatever you describe. You can even prompt a side profile look and the avatar will still maintain consistency from a completely different angle. And if your generated look is close but not quite right, hit Edit to fine-tune it some more. Tweak the outfit, the background, the lighting, whatever needs adjusting. And the end result is you've got an entire wardrobe of professional-looking versions of yourself. Different outfits, different environments, all from one 15-second recording. Now let's take one of these looks and actually make a video. Alright, let's make a video. Hover over any look you want to use and hit Create in AI Studio. This drops you into HeyGen's AI Studio. And the first thing you want to check over here on the right-hand panel is the motion engine. make sure it's set to Avatar 5. Now here's where you add your content. You've got two options for the script. Option 1, if you already have a script prepared, type or paste your script directly into the text bar. Option 2, and this one is quite genuinely impressive, click the AI script generator. It's powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT. Give it a topic, a tone, a target length, and it writes a script for you right there inside the platform. Here, I'll type in a quick topic, and just like that, a full script is ready to go. Now here's something new in Avatar 5 that you didn't have in older versions. Near the motion engine option, open up the advanced settings. You'll see a motion type selector. This lets you control how your avatar moves. You can also choose from the variety of different motions based off of previous videos that you recorded in your 15-second clips. And there it is, a fully produced Avatar 5 video. Your face, your voice, your look, done in minutes, not hours. YouTube marketing is a game changer for businesses. With over 2 billion users, it offers an unparalleled platform to reach potential customers. Now let's cover Video Agent. Because this isn't just the fastest way to create content with Avatar 5, it's also the most powerful. Head over to Video Agent in the left sidebar and select the avatar you previously created. Also, you should know that when you have a real human avatar selected, it automatically uses Avatar 5, so no extra steps here are needed. But what makes Video Agent special is this. You're not just creating a single clip. You can prompt HeyGen to create multiple scenes and automatically combine them into a full, ready-to-publish video. That's the script, your avatar, the layout, and the scenes, all from one prompt. And that's a complete video from start to finish. Now, there's a whole strategy behind writing great prompts for Video Agent, and I have a fully dedicated video in exactly that. So you can go check that out. The link will be in the description. But here's a short version if you just want to get a video out. First, you want to describe your topic, your audience, and the tone you're going for. Video Agent handles the script, the avatar, the layout, and puts together a ready-to-publish video from a single prompt. It's as close to hands-free video creation as you can get right now. And with Avatar 5, the quality has never been better. In 2026, the marketing landscape is louder than ever, but one platform still stands above the rest as the most powerful tool for growing your business: YouTube. Now, here are 3 things that will make a difference between "that's a pretty good avatar" and "wait, is that even AI?" Number 1, be ridiculously expressive when you record your motion clip. I know it feels weird, but you should do it anyway. The energy you put into that 15-second clip is exactly what your avatar gives back. So if you have a flat recording, it will result in a flat avatar. So bring the energy. Number 2 is to choose a strong base look photo. Close up, face clearly visible, subtle expression, no accessories. This is the foundation for every AI-generated look you'll ever create. Get it right once and everything else builds from there. And lastly, number 3, do the standalone voice clone. Don't skip it. Don't just use the audio from your motion clip. Give HeyGen a dedicated voice recording. It captures the nuances that make your voice yours. So 2 extra minutes, massive difference. So how many videos could you create if you only had to show up on camera once? Well, that's what Avatar 5 actually makes possible. One recording, any look, any environment, any video, on demand. This isn't a feature update. It's a completely different way to think about content creation. If this tech is as exciting to you as it is to me, hit that subscribe button. I've got more HeyGen tutorials coming that you're not going to want to miss. And if you're already testing Avatar 5, drop a comment below. I want to know what you're building with it. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.